Have you ever pondered over the significance of European integration in today's globalized world? It's more than just a political alliance or an economic bloc. European integration is a collective endeavor towards peace, unity, and prosperity. It's about weaving a tapestry of diverse cultures, languages, and histories into a shared narrative. From the ashes of the devastating world wars, the idea of a united Europe emerged as a beacon of hope, a promise of political stability, and an engine of economic development. Over the decades, this idea has evolved into a dynamic entity, shaping and being shaped by global trends and events. The European Union, the embodiment of this integration, has become a key player on the world stage, influencing policies and decisions that stretch far beyond its borders. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and shared vision. The journey of European integration is a fascinating one, filled with both triumphs and challenges. Let's delve into its history. The idea of a unified Europe did not emerge overnight. It was a product of history, shaped by leaders who envisioned a peaceful and prosperous continent. In the ashes of the Second World War, Europe was in desperate need of resurrection. The devastation was immense, and the need for unity was clear. It was during these turbulent times that the concept of European integration began to take shape. Among those who championed the idea were key figures like Robert Schuman, the French foreign minister, and Jean Monnet, a political economist and diplomat. They both saw integration as the path to ensure peace, prosperity, and a shared future. Schuman, in his declaration of May 9, 1950, proposed pooling coal and steel production, thereby making war not just unthinkable, but materially impossible. Their vision was revolutionary. It required a paradigm shift in international relations, replacing hostility with cooperation, division with unity. These visionaries set the stage for the creation of a unique entity, the European Union. The path to European integration was marked by significant milestones, each contributing to the evolution of the EU as we know it today. The journey began with the formation of the European Coal and Steel Community in the early 1950s. This was a strategic move, binding together the industries that were key to war-making capacities, thus making any future conflict on the continent unthinkable. Then came the Treaties of Rome in 1957, establishing the European Economic Community and the European Atomic Energy Community. These treaties set the stage for a common market and customs union, a significant step towards economic integration. The European Economic Community marked the transition from a collection of autonomous states to a more unified Europe, working together for shared economic growth and stability. The Single European Act of 1986 further deepened this integration, setting the ambitious goal of creating a single market by the end of 1992. The Act sought to remove trade barriers and promote free movement of goods, services, people and capital among member states, reflecting the EU's commitment to shared prosperity. The European Union, as we know it today, was officially born with the signing of the Maastricht Treaty in 1992. This landmark treaty expanded the EU's powers, introducing European citizenship and paving the way for the creation of a single currency, the euro. It also set the stage for a common foreign and security policy, further cementing the EU's role as a major player on the global stage. However, the journey was not always smooth. Each stage had its share of challenges and controversies, from political disagreements to economic crises. Yet these hurdles were also opportunities for learning and growth, shaping the EU's resilience and adaptability. These stages marked the transformation of a war-torn continent into a union promoting peace and prosperity. The EU's journey is a testament to the power of unity and cooperation, demonstrating that even the most diverse nations can come together to work towards common goals. The European Union, however, is not without its challenges in the modern world. As we navigate through the 21st century, the EU grapples with a variety of contemporary issues. At the forefront are economic difficulties, migration issues, and political tensions. Economic challenges have been a constant companion of the Union. From the global financial crisis of 2008 to the ongoing economic repercussions of the COVID-19 pandemic, the EU's economic resilience has been put to the test. The disparities in economic performance and recovery among member states continue to be a point of contention, fueling debates on fiscal policy, debt sharing, and the role of the European Central Bank. Migration issues have also become increasingly prominent in recent years. The influx of refugees and migrants into Europe, particularly since 2015, has raised complex questions about border security, human rights, and the distribution of responsibilities among member states. These issues have strained relations within the Union and have been a catalyst for rising populism and nationalism in some countries. Political tensions within the Union, too, are a reality of the contemporary world. From the Brexit decision to ongoing debates on rule of law issues in member states like Poland and Hungary, the EU finds itself constantly navigating political waters. These tensions challenge the very principles of unity and integration that the Union stands for. Yet, it's not all storms and squalls for the EU. In the global arena, the Union plays a critical role in shaping world events. From spearheading climate action to advocating for digital rights, the EU continues to exert significant influence on global trends. These challenges and roles underline the complexity of the EU's position in the modern world. They test the resilience of the Union, but also highlight the importance of collaboration within its members. After all, it is through unity and cooperation that the EU can navigate these challenges and continue to play a significant role in shaping our world. The European Union's journey underscores the power of collaboration. It has been the cornerstone of the Union's success. In a world often divided by national, cultural, and economic lines, the European Union stands as a beacon of unity and cooperation. This collaboration has allowed the Union to weather storms that would have been insurmountable for individual nations to face alone. Collaboration within the European Union is not merely a diplomatic nicety, but a fundamental tenet of its existence. From the ashes of the Second World War, the EU emerged built on the principle that unity fosters peace and prosperity. This unity has been tested time and again, but the Union's commitment to collaboration has helped it overcome these challenges. Take, for instance, the economic difficulties faced by the Union in the aftermath of the global financial crisis. Individual nations were grappling with their own challenges, yet they rallied together to create collective solutions. This spirit of collaboration led to the creation of the European Stability Mechanism, a clear demonstration of the power of collective action. But the importance of collaboration within the EU extends beyond crisis management. It's the lifeblood of the Union's policy-making process. Through the practice of consensus building, the EU ensures that all member states have a voice in shaping the Union's future. This collaborative approach has given rise to policies that have transformed the lives of millions, from the creation of a single market to the establishment of the Schengen area. The European Union's ability to foster collaboration among diverse nations has not only shaped its past, but will also define its future. As the Union faces new challenges, from climate change to digital transformation, collaboration will remain at the heart of its response. The EU's story is a testament to the strength of unity in diversity. It serves as a reminder that together we can overcome even the most daunting challenges.